Yo, people them, hear me say no, it's as a responsible youth, when they are wear mask and wear things, and listen no, I feel like I years when I go party, you know. You see me? But some dirty junker feel like them just.
Dog, me a call drunker dog. Yo, if I dirt, come party, Etan.
People them, me not get no corona, you know. You see me I say? Some boy feel like say Hennessy can wash out the corona and cure the corona, you know.
Corona tastes better from pool party.
Oh, you mean people better know say Yaadman Etan, and I am about to be very honest with you. I am kinda depressed. As you can see from the title, I want to talk to you about my experience with COVID.
Coronavirus!
No, wait, I do not have COVID. Have I done a test? Well, I'm about to do a test. Vlog coming soon. But I do have COVID. I'm not sneezing, I'm not coughing, nothing. Alright? It's more about how COVID mash up my mind. You get me? Just for simply existing, I've noticed that COVID is a big mental illness. It has affected many minds across the planet negatively. So just to show you, alright, so I've been restored. You see me I say, like, I finally retwisted my locks and beard things, that my hair is back to normal. You see me I say, me never go link nobody. Yaadman did Yaadman's hair himself. The thing is, the reason I'm talking about my hair is because I usually do my hair every month. I twist my hair every month. Usually. There have been moments this year when I say, yo, what's the point of even twisting my locks? Nobody now go see me. Nobody data go see me. I'm not trying to look good for the camera. There's no events to cover. So what's the point of twisting my locks? As I said, I usually twist my locks every month. But this is the third time this year. The third time this year, and we are in the month of September. You see me? Just for give you an idea of how much COVID really mash up my life. COVID,
you mash up my life.
Rona,
You mash up my life.
the other day, Gallus in Paris, Prince Manny, Kalinsky, they were near where I am in Florida. They dragged me out to go to a party, and I haven't been to a party since March. Alright, the last party I was ever at before then was in March. You get me? And I'm gonna show you a little bit of how the party this day. Alright. Yeah, being at this party, this pool party, like my body wanted to enjoy it. My body wanted to wind up on somebody's daughter. You get me? I said, like, I really wanted to just chuck off and dive off into the pool and just get wild and just, you know? But I couldn't. My mind couldn't make me enjoy the scenery. My mind was like COVID everywhere. And it's because I'm trying to be responsible. Because I can't just live for me. I have to live for my father who I live with. You get me? And me would have feel bad, even worse, if me having a moment enjoying myself would get my father sick. So I have this video that I shot some months ago that I uploaded on my second YouTube channel. Now, for those of you who don't know, I created a second YouTube channel some months ago, even though I barely use it, because I wanted to put, you know, different type of content there. The truth is, I haven't fully figured it out yet. I want to play the video that I uploaded on that channel here. Alright, this was months ago when I spoke about how COVID has impacted my mental state those months ago. Alright, so see it here.
But since quarantine,
I feel as if I've been fighting demons. I've been fighting the worst part of myself. Hold on, people. It is day 58 of quarantine. Yeah, I'm gonna move this off of my face here, man. Nobody's around. I feel pretty safe right now. I want to big up Logan Paul. When it was very hard for me to get a face mask to go out, to feel a little bit more safe, Logan Paul decided to make some face masks for his subscribers, and I'm very thankful for this. As a matter of fact, all we had to do was pay for shipping, and we got this. We didn't even pay for no full face mask. I see some people selling face masks and making a killing right now. You see me? Some people are selling all 10 face masks for $30. It's crazy. But I just want to say thank you for Logan Paul for allowing me to get this. Quarantine, I tell the God truth, it's been rough. First, and before I even continue, I'd like to thank everybody who has subscribed to Yaadman's vlog channel. You see me? Here I said that I want to be a bit more open and be a bit, you know, more real with you guys, let you know what's going on in my head. And to be honest with you, it rough. It rough like dog, yo, it rough. You know, to tell the God truth, and I try not to make it happen, but a lot of times, you know, as a creative, my emotional energy will spill over into my work. You know, there are times when I don't feel 100% or I don't feel confident in myself. And at those moments, I don't want to do work. I don't want to make videos for you guys because I feel like, one, I won't be able to put my all into it. And I feel like I'm right beside the ants nest, you know. Like, dog, I am literally right beside the ants nest. Sorry. But look at them now bother me. But yeah, I feel like I don't want to put that negative energy, that emotional energy into my videos because I feel like I won't be able to do my very best for my subscribers and people who've been subscribed to me for so long. You guys know that I only aim to do the best, to be the best. Every day I'm at a new best. But to be honest, ever since this whole quarantine thing, I've been feeling as if every day I'm at a new worse. Right now, I'm by a lakeside, trying to relax, feel some water, look on the duck them. You see me? Kind of give me a little bit of memory. Home in Jamaica by a waterfront, get a bit of the breeze off of the water, you know? Just try to relax myself. You see, lately, for months now, on my main channel, there's something happened on my main channel. I don't know what. You know, I always do good by YouTube. I always stay within the guidelines. I've never had any community guidelines, copyright guidelines, anything like that. You know, and for the longest while, most of my subscribers have been reporting to me that they are simply not seeing my videos when they're posted. They're not getting my notifications. And I've noticed how YouTube has taken away my ability to really grow. You know, on my main channel, I just got 40,000 subscribers. That's great and all, but I don't feel great. I feel as if I should have had 40,000 subscribers months ago, you know? And that has affected not only my views and my growth, it has affected my money. You know, it has affected my business. My goal is to grow as fast on YouTube as possible, as fast as possible, as soon as possible.
to get to that 100,000 subscribers quickly. You get me? So to get to that point where I can say, yo, my boss, I make it, but not even make it, cause I feel like at 100,000 on YouTube, that's when the games really begin. That's when things really start. That's when things really start to pick up, you know? And I feel like this has been going on for months, so it's been messing with my mind. Not just that, but since quarantine, I feel as if I've been fighting demons. I've been fighting the worst part of myself. The part of myself that doesn't feel confident. The part of myself that I'm second guessing myself. I'm judging myself. Since quarantine, make it even worse, a lot of my business opportunities have been messed up. I was supposed to cover, you know, UE Carnival, University of West Indies, Mona campus in Jamaica. Their carnival, potentially Jamaica Carnival as well. Atlanta Carnival was supposed to be today, you know. And one of the things I was most excited about this year was going back to New Orleans from last year and being able to do that again. But everything has been cancelled, everything has been put off because of quarantine. So with YouTube and with the cancellation of events and everything, it's just me in my house locked up. Dog, this is probably the first time in 2 days I've been outside. And it's nice to feel the breeze on my skin. It's nice to feel the sun on my head top. Speaking of head top, I haven't done my hair in 3 months. And I think it's about time I do my hair. And since one of my old hair videos are doing real well on my main channel, I think I'm going to do a hair video for my main channel. So yeah, check out on my main channel. I'm going to do a next hair video, alright? But yeah, I've just been fighting to show that Jamaicans can actually do it. To show that we can actually make an impression on YouTube. To show that we are great. You get me? And I'm still trying, I'm still doing my best. But no matter how bad things may seem, no matter how grim, no matter how broke I am right now, because of quarantine, because of this whole messed up situation and the whole world is sick right now, I feel as if I can't give up. Because if I do give up, I'm only defeating myself. I have to keep going. Not just for me, but for the people that believe in me, for the people that support me, for the people who have given me kind words and kind messages during my darkest of times. No matter what, I have to fight these demons. No matter what, I have to take care of my mental health. No matter what, I have to get back to my best. No matter what, I have to keep soaring. And I have to aim for the clouds. I have to aim beyond the clouds. And no matter what, I will find that silver light. I suggest that we find someone, find a creative, find an entrepreneur right now, find somebody whose business has been messed up by this unfortunate situation, and just check in on them, see if they're alright. Check in on your closest friends, you know, because so much has happened during this time. I'm sorry for the beeping. This is just for the drone to get back to me. Thank you guys so very much for 40,000 subscribers. And thank you for the support. I am just a very basic, average guy coming out to Jamaica. Nothing special. Well, I don't feel like nothing special. That's been draped up and tossed around by this ongoing global situation. As I said before, just please check in on your friends, check in on people close to you who have been affected by this situation. And no matter how bad I'm feeling, I'm going to keep pushing. Because my subscribers deserve not to go to place. So thank you.
Alright. Yeah. So that was a little bit of, you know, how I actually feel. You get me? And to be perfectly honest, I still haven't fully figured it out yet. There's a lot of content that I want to shoot, there's a lot of ideas, there's a lot of things that I want to do, but I feel as if I'm in a cage and then COVID is caging that cage, if you get what I mean. Certain content that I would like to do, but I simply just don't trust Florida enough to do it. I've been trying to keep my mind in a good spot, to be perfectly honest, but it is hard being a creator. It is hard keeping my mind fresh and doing things. But I'm going to be very honest with you, it's been a long time since I've really done a video that I myself really and truly enjoy, and I really don't want to be that person who sit down and doing story times and sit down and doing some little figure videos and telling. First of all, my life is not that exciting. I could tell you about the story when the girl had her mouth on my eggplant and she was interrogating me, but no. Kids, that's not for you. But the point is, I've really been very out of it lately. I've been out of it for much of this year, and I'm just trying to catch the passion back. I'm trying to catch the lightning in a bottle again, and really trying to keep everything together. I didn't want to do this video, to be perfectly honest. I decided, one, I needed to upload a video this week, and second, just to be honest with you, to be honest with my fan base, to be honest with the people who support me. I really just want to be honest with you. It's rough on me. I feel like I have to be churning out content that I don't necessarily enjoy. And to be honest, I haven't even thought, I don't remember the last time I really put myself in a video I remember the last time I really put myself in a video, I really enjoyed making that video, was a quarantine and chill video that I did. I did 2 quarantine and chill videos for my brethren, advertising his music as well. I'm ready for you.
Baby, we for quarantine and chill. I just want to feel locked down in a house, I feel we're playing.
5 minutes later.
Listen to Quarantine and Chill. The reason why I don't want to do my regular content is because I live in Florida, and Florida could be renamed as Corona. Okay? Yeah, me nah did that. No. So I feel like I am going to take a break, not from YouTube, but from America. I think I'm coming home. I think I need to come to Jamaica. And I don't care about the COVID in Jamaica, is me I say. I'm going to be very careful as well. You get me? Can't do that. Can't do that. So, yeah, that's pretty much where Yaadman is at right now. I just want to say thank you guys so very much. But I don't want to stay here. I'm tired of being in this space. Okay, like I'm really, like I honestly feel a bit depressed, you know? And to the point where I don't enjoy making content. But it's not that I don't enjoy making content. I don't enjoy the content that I've been making because of COVID. So I think I'm going to really dive into the content that I love to make again. Click the bell, set it to all to get all notifications. Do not miss any videos from Yaadman. Alright, see you in Jamaica.